Quantitative method in management, that's the course title, and the course code is 719. So quantitative, quantitative, quantitative method in management. Just write management because so the code is 719. So we're given the activities to do. I think let me do that first, then I'll still do the one in the class. Talking about the company A has 3 warehouses. Okay, warehouses and 3 factory. Because sometimes you might have 3x4 matrix. So this is 3x3, and we're given factory 1, factory 2, factory 3. All this will be given during the exam according to what the lecturer said. Biology, right? Whereas 1, whereas 2, then whereas 3. I think based on the explanation I did in the class, we have done northwest, we have done least square. So we want to do the one with VAM method right now. And you know VAM method deals with difference, the least 2 differences. So let me get it in this direction. It's very simple. Here is total demand or total supply. Total demand. Here is like total supply. Total supply. Or they call it total cost for each. This is for the total cost for the factory 1, factory 2, factory 3. That's how it goes. Then for the warehouse 1, we have all the total costs here. So we want to allocate all these costs into the boxes. That's how it is. So for this VAM method, we're using VAM method here now. That is Voyage. So we have difference 1, difference 2. We can even have to different 3 or 4. I think that's how we did it in class. Different 3, or let's just say different 4, paraventure. So here too we have difference 1, difference 2, different or FD3, then FD4. Don't know whether you understand in that direction, or you ask the question, I'll do more explanation based on that as well. So this is the way we're going to do it. So we have factory 1, factory 2, factory 3. So also warehouse 1, warehouse 2, warehouse 3. Then in this case now, because we are doing VAM is a method that in fact it can navigate. But let me continue. So in this form, they will be given the prices for their activity to be done. We have 4 here, we have 5 naira, we have 1 naira. Here we have 3 naira, we have 4 naira, we have 3 naira. So we have 6 naira, 2 naira, and 8 naira. So the total cost given for the activities to be done is 70, 40, 60. So for the total cost for each factory goes like this. We have here to be 40, here to be 60, and here to be 70. So we add it together. 40 times 60 is 100 plus 70, that's 170. So also 60 times 40, 100 plus 7, that means everything here will be what? 170. I tried to circle it with where's my red pen? I tried to circle it. Okay, no, let me now do red pen now. The only thing I did here is to have, so I will not mix. Let's have a box here for all the prices in this format. So now based on this method, the last method, VAM method, what we are looking for is difference of 2, the 2 smallest in our boxes. So when you come to the columns and to the row side now, we can see 4, 5, 1. So 1 is the least, followed by 4. So you take away 1 from 4. We have the difference to be 3 here. Don't know whether you understand in that way. So this here also we have 3 and 3. We can have it to be 0. Minus 3 from 3. Then the least price here we have 2. Minus it from the next list, which is 6. Parallel to 8, because at least 8 is bigger than 6. So we take away 2 from 6. Here we have 4. Then we also come to the column side. We check out 4 naira, 3 naira, 6 naira. So it's 4 naira and 3 naira smaller. So minus from each other, we have a difference of 1. Then also here we have 5 naira, 4 naira, 2 naira. So take away 2 from 4. We have 2. So also from here, we have 1 naira, 3 naira, and 8 naira. So take away 1 from 3. That we have 2. So what we are looking for here is ISD4. We have 304 for the row. We have 122 for the column. So 4 is the ISD4, is the one that has the highest difference. That's what we call ISD4. So once you have this in this way, we now go into the line where the 4 is. Still look for the least price, which is 2. When you come to 2, trace it to the total cost for the warehouse here against the total cost for the factory 3. Okay, so in the wisdom demand that we pick the least total cost. We have 70 here against 40, so we try and pick 40. And that's why I circle it. We try and pick 40. So you now take away that 40 from 40. Here we have 0. So when we have 0, just condemn this line. We don't have anything to do with this, so that we won't get confused. So we are done with the first stage of the difference. No, we are now going to the second. So we still go the same way. We have 4 naira, but we don't need anything to do with, because I already condemned this line. So we are left to 1 naira and 4 naira. So take away the difference. Take away 1 from 4. We have 3. Take away 3 from 3. We still have 0. Take away 6 from 8. We have 2. Okay, so also we do for this side. Take away 4 from 3, because they are the 2 least prices we have here. We have 1. We don't have anything to do with this line because they're already condensed, so we'll put dash. So for the third column, we have 1 and 3, and that gives us 2. So checking out the difference for difference 2, now we have 1, nothing is here, 1, nothing is here, 2. If you go like this, we have 2 and 0 and 3. So 3 is the highest default in this, because it's the highest difference. So we come to that row like this and check out, because this was condensed, so we'll be working with 1 and 4. So in this case now, we have the smallest price to be 1. So we check out the total cost against the total cost here. This is 60, this is 40. So we go for the least cost, which is also 40 against 60. So you can take away 40 from 40, that will give us 0. Take away 40 from 60, that will be 20. I don't know why you got it like that. So we can't condemn here, we just have to condemn the one that has 0. So we can condemn it in this way. So we are left with this box, and this box, and this box. So we go to difference 3. So in this case now we have nothing again. So we have to put dash. So come to the second row. We have 3 boxes there. This one is condemned. This one is there. So what we try and do is take away 3 from 3. We still have 0. We still have 0. From this side to 6 and 8 to be captured. And then we have 2. So we're done with the column side and with the row side. Then now come to the column. So we look for the 2 different. We don't have anything to do with it. We only have 3 and 6. So take away from each other. It is what? We have 3, right? So here nothing is already gone. That one is condemned. We have 3 and 8 here. So that will be 5. Okay, that will be 5. And then looking at the highest default, in this case we have 3, nothing, 5, or 2, 0, and dash. So 5 is the highest default. We trace it up and look for the least price between 8 and 3. Which one is the least? We have 3. So coming to 3, box now, we have 60 against 20. So wisdom demand that we take the least cost, which is 20. Okay, which is 20. I'm trying to circle the one that we allocated in each boxes. So take away 20 from 20. Here we have 0. So we can condemn this line. Then take away 20 from 60. Here we have 40. And that takes us to the difference 4. We are done with that. So here too, nothing to be done here. Everything here is already condemned. Here is 3. Because we have only 3 here. This is condemned. We have allocated something here. So we have 3. Here we have only 6. Let me use so we can complete in that way. I don't know whether you see what I'm trying to do. So we have it like that. Then the next, between 3 and 6, we still have 3. Here is condemned. We don't have anything here again. So here we have 3, 6, dash, dash, and 3. So 6 will be the highest default. Here we deal with difference. That's all about the idea of the method. So when we have 6 here, we come over to this line. You can see this is 6 highest default. To go like this. So here we have 70 against 70. What's going on? Have we gotten this one to be? Is 6. Let me stop.